My name is Zen Nelson. This is natural gas. Natural gas is a type of fossil fuel, a fuel whose energy comes from carbon bonds and long compressed biomass that releases methane when burned. Deposits of natural gas can only be found deep underground, so they have to be extracted by some sort of drilling, most often via fracking. More than one-third of energy used in the US comes from natural gas, and its use has increased precipitously over the last 50 years, bringing hundreds of billions to oil corporations and equally colossal amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere. Widespread use of natural gas by rich nations like ours has contributed greatly to the extreme climate change threatening the habitability of the planet. This poses serious problems for everyone, particularly due to the political and environmental strife imparted by natural gas's extraction, sale, and use. About 67% of natural gas in the US is extracted via fracking. Fracking is the process by which cracks in or under the ground surface are split open by injecting large amounts of chemicals, water, and sand into them at high pressure, with large machines to access pockets of natural gas suspended in rock. This process, while spectacularly profitable for big oil, has caused a number of problems. Fracking uses between 1.5 and 9.7 million gallons of water for a single well in a time where water crises are becoming increasingly common. All of that now toxic water has to go somewhere, often causing extreme hazards for rural and indigenous communities that can't defend themselves from big corporations, as fracking water is disposed onto native lands, causing pollution, habitat degradation, and harms to human health. This is an image of a fracking machine in Montana. Natural gas use has a multiplicity of effects. Very few of them are positive. They cause droughts and aquifer depletion because they use so much water to extract. They also cause water pollution because they produce toxic water as a byproduct. They cause severe air pollution. They also cause ocean acidification due to the amount of CO2 that they release when burned. They cause oil spills in their transportation. They cause habitat loss because you can't exactly frack over an old-growth forest. They also cause indigenous treaty violations because big corporations dump their waste in areas that are supposed to belong to native communities. Lastly, but certainly not least, natural gas use has greatly contributed to the extreme climate change that is threatening the lives of virtually everyone on this planet. In conclusion, we need to stop utilizing fossil fuels, in particular natural gas, in order to save the future of ourselves and our progeny. Thank you.